We've all been there. That moment of anticipation, the craving for that perfect snack. You snag a bag of chips excited for a salty, crunchy treat. Your mouth is watering and you can almost taste the deliciousness. You rip it open, only to find what feels like a quarter of the bag is filled with chips. The rest? Just air. It's a letdown, a snack time betrayal. This, my friends, is a classic case of chip bag deception. It feels like a cruel joke, but is it really? But before you swear off chips forever, let's investigate what's really going on inside that seemingly half-empty bag. There's more to this story than meets the eye. It's easy to feel cheated when you see all that empty space. You might think, did I just pay for a bag of air? Are chip companies trying to pull a fast one on us? Not quite. There's a method to this madness. The truth is that air is there for a reason, and it's not just a toy with our emotions and appetites. It's called slack fill, and it serves a purpose. It's all about protecting your precious chips and ensuring they arrive in your pantry ready for snacking. Without that cushion of air, your chips would be crumbs by the time you open the bag. Here's the inside scoop. That puff of air in your chip bag isn't regular air at all. It's a carefully controlled environment designed to keep your snack as fresh as possible. It's mostly nitrogen gas, pumped in for a very important reason: keeping your chips fresh. This process is known as nitrogen flushing, and it's a crucial step in the packaging process. You see, oxygen, the stuff we breathe, is the enemy of crispy, crunchy goodness. When chips are exposed to oxygen, they start to oxidize, which leads to them becoming stale. Oxygen causes chips to go stale and lose their satisfying crunch. This is why, if you've ever left a bag of chips open, you've probably noticed they don't taste as good after a while. Nitrogen, on the other hand, is inert, meaning it doesn't react with other elements easily. This makes it an ideal gas for preserving food. This makes it the perfect bodyguard for your chips. It acts like a protective shield, keeping the chips safe from the harmful effects of oxygen. By replacing the oxygen in the bag with nitrogen, chip manufacturers create a protective atmosphere that helps preserve freshness and prevents those dreaded stale chips. So the next time you open a bag of chips, remember that it's not just air inside, it's a carefully crafted environment designed to keep your snack at its best. Now you might be thinking, but why go through all that trouble? Why is it so important to keep chips crunchy and fresh? Are chips really that fragile? Can they really lose their crunch so easily? The answer is a resounding yes. Chips, especially those made with natural ingredients and fewer preservatives, are highly susceptible to going stale. These chips are crafted to deliver a natural, authentic taste, but that also means they are more delicate. Exposure to oxygen can cause the oils in chips to oxidize, leading to that unpleasant rancid taste and soft, chewy texture. This oxidation process is what makes chips lose their delightful crunch and become unappetizing. Nitrogen swoops in to save the day, creating a barrier against oxygen and locking in the freshness. By filling the bags with nitrogen, manufacturers ensure that the chips remain in perfect condition from the factory to your home. This ensures your chips stay crisp, crunchy, and bursting with flavor until you're ready to dig in. So the next time you open a bag of chips, you can thank nitrogen for that satisfying crunch. Bubble Wrap 2.0 air cushions for the win. But the nitrogen's job isn't done yet. Remember that feeling of disappointment when you open a bag of crushed chips? The air in the bag plays a crucial role in preventing this snacking tragedy. Think of the nitrogen like tiny invisible bubble wrap. The extra space in the bag allows the chips to move around without getting crushed during shipping and handling. This ensures they arrive at your local supermarket in one piece, ready to satisfy your cravings. The proof is in the puff, enjoying intact tasty chips. So, the next time you grab a bag of chips and feel a pang of disappointment at the seemingly excessive air, remember this: that air is your friend. It's the secret ingredient that guarantees you get to enjoy chips the way they were meant to be enjoyed: crunchy, flavorful, and intact. Without that puff of nitrogen, you'd be left with a bag of crushed, stale disappointments. And nobody wants that. More than meets the eye, the science behind your snack. The truth about air and chip bags is a testament to the science behind our everyday snacks. It's a reminder that there's often more to things than meets the eye. So next time you reach for that bag of chips, take a moment to appreciate the ingenuity that went into preserving its freshness and crunch. It's the perfect blend of science and snacking satisfaction.